Hello everyone, today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful flower keychain. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial, so let's get started. For this tutorial here I am using two color of yarn, a gun glue stick, 4mm of crochet hook, a scissors and also a keychain hook I am gonna use in this video. So let's get started and just create it. First I am using this blue color of yarn for making the base and the flower. So hold yarn like in fingers and make a slip knot. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around it, hold it with your thumb, yarn over and pull it. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. This is the chain. Make 5, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Here my 5 chains complete. Now insert your hook into the first of the chain like here, and here we have 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. So this is the magic ring we have. Next we're gonna make single crochet stitch in this magic ring. For single crochet, chain 1. Now I'm going to make single crochet. Insert your hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Insert your hook, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. This is the single crochet stitch. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Repeat the same pattern until you have complete the total of 10 single crochet stitches in this magic ring. Just complete the total of 10 single crochet for making the total of 5 flower leaves. Complete the total of 10 single crochet stitches. Here my 10 single crochet stitches complete. Now here you see we have chain on top. Insert your hook into the first of the chain like here. Just insert your hook and pull yarn twice. This is for slip stitch. My first round complete. Now for the next round I am going to make 3 chain. 3 chain is for double crochet stitch. I am going to make double crochet for making the flower leaves. Here is the 3 chain. Now insert your hook into the next chain and make double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over and just pull it first 2 loops like this. Again yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the same chain below, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops only. You see here we have another loops on hook. Just repeat the same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops. Here my 5 loops on hook. Just repeat the same pattern until you have the complete total of 9 loops on the hook. Just repeat the same pattern, make double crochet stitch but pull it only first 2 loops and take the total of 9 loops on hook like this. Here my 7 loops complete. Now make 2 more. This is for making the puff stitch. Here my 9 loops complete. Now count it. Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Next I'm going to pull the yarn over, pull it into 9 loops. Here I pull the yarn, then after pulling the yarn I'm going to make 3 chain on top for closing the puff stitch. Here is the 3 chain on top like this, and then slip stitch into the second chain. Next second chain, insert your hook and pull yarn twice. Here my first flower leaf with puff stitch complete. Now pull the stitches outside just like this. Now for the next stitch I am going to make again 3 chain. Just when you start a new stitch you will make chain first and then start the stitches. Repeat the same pattern, make double crochet stitch but pull it only first 2 loops and complete the total of 9 loops on hook. Just complete the total of 9 loops. Here my 5 loops complete, 4 more. And don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. You see clearly how I make this. If you need any question, let me know in the comment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. My 9 loops complete. Now pull the yarn into 9 loops and after that I'm going to make 3 chain. again for closing the puff stitch. Now slip stitch into the second chain below, and after that just pull the stitches outside. Here my second puff stitch complete. Again for the next I'm going to make 3 chain, and each puff stitch I'm going to make in 2 chains below, and here my 2 rows complete, and then I'm going to make 3 more and complete the total of 5 and just come back. Here my 5 rows leaves complete with puff stitch. You see I make 3 chain on top for closing it. Next I'm going to make slip stitch into the last of the chain, like here, into the last chain. For making slip stitch, just insert your hook into the last chain and pull yarn twice. After that I'm going to make chain 1, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. Just cut it in the last. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work first. And then here you see my flower pattern complete. Now I'm going to hide my leftover yarn. This is the leftover yarn I'm going to hide because this is for making your work neat and clean. So insert your hook into the back side of the stitches and just pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Make sure you will hide all the leftover yarn after completing your work. This look neat and clean, you see clearly. Next I'm going to make the center part like this puff. For this puff, here I'm going to use the white color of yarn. Very easy to make and beginner friendly. So hold yarn like in fingers again and make a slip knot. Insert your hook, wrap yarn over and pull it. After that make 3 chain for this. Yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, and yarn over, pull it. Here I have 3 chain. Next I'm going to make puff stitch into the first of the chain, yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain, pull the yarn over, pull it, first 2 loops only. Again yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the first of the chain, pull the yarn over, pull it, first 2 loops. Just repeat the same pattern of puff stitch, but in this pattern I'm going to make total of 7 loops on hook, and just repeat the same pattern of double crochet but pull it only first 2 loops. So this is my last stitch, you see. Now count it, make 1 more only please, just like this. Now count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Here my 7 stitch is complete. Now pull it into 7 loops, and after that I'm going to make 3 chain on top for closing the puff stitch, and after that I'm going to make slip stitch into the same chain below. Insert your hook, pull the yarn, chain 1, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. This step is for making your puff neat and clean. So after this, pull the leftover yarn tightly and just pull the puff stitches outside. Here I will show you clearly. Now hide the leftover yarn inside the puff like this. So this is the complete pattern of the center puff stitch, and next I'm going to attach it on the top of the flower, like into the center point, just like here. For attaching this, here I'm gonna use this gun glue stick. So for attaching the center part, I'm going to use gun glue stick. Add some glue on the top, like here on the back side of the puff stitch. Just add some glue and attach it into the center, just like here, and after that press it on top and secure your work. Just press it tightly. So this is the complete pattern of crochet flower. You see how look it is, very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. Make 2 more, like here I make total of 2 for this pattern. Next I'm going to attach it with each other. For attaching it with each other, here I'm gonna use again the gun glue stick. So I will show you how to join it together. So add some glue onto the side of the leaves, just like this. Here you see clearly how I put some glue on the top of the flower. Just I add some glue on the sides of the leaves and to the center point, and just attach some glue with the leaf to leaf and center point to center point, and press it tightly with each other and secure your work in the last. So here you see clearly how look it is. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. If you need any question, let me know in the comment. Now in the last I'm going to attach a keychain hook on the top of the flower, just like here. So just attach it together. So here I'm using a needle. I already opened the last one piece and attach on the leaf top with both flowers like this and press it tightly. So this is the complete and the final look. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. You see clearly how look it is very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. So stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.